How to find sort code in NatWest. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can find it. So you can do it either using your mobile application or through online banking. So in order to find 6-digit sort code, you will have to log into your application of NatWest on your mobile device. After that, tap on the account that you want to see the sort code for. After that, scroll down and select the option of account settings. Under your account settings, you will be able to find the option of view and share account details. Just tap on it and then you will be able to find the option of view account details. Over there, you will be able to find the account number and sort code. In case if you want to find it using online banking, then just simply log into the website of NatWest. After that, you need to select the account summary for the account for which you want to find the sort code, and then click on the option of view account details. Over there, you will be able to find your account number and sort code, and you will also be able to find your sort code on checkbook and paying in book and bank statement, and this way you would be able to find your sort code. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.